Reroute, when to reroute and when to keep it the same, all depends on efficiency of the dryer. The longer the run is and the longer it takes the clothes to dry, the more electricity you're using, the less economic it is. So if I walk into a residence and I'm on an outside wall, whether it goes down, whether it goes up, I'm going to suggest rerouting out that side of that wall. And the reason for it is so short and it's so quick. You'll never need a dryer vent cleaning. You'll never need the cleaning itself. Plus, you're going to maintain your dryer for so long. The life itself is going to be so long. And then you're going to shorten your electric bills. So if your dryer vent is extremely long, if your dryer vent is made out of foil, if your dryer vent is made out of vinyl, those are all going to be reroute situations. And then there are times where you walk into it, they have everything the right way. It's just the smarter, better way to do it is just to go out that door. And one thing I try to do is I try to come up with multiple solutions to solve the problem. That way the customer has an option. But sometimes there is no other option. And in that case, I give them the best professional opinion that I have. And I always offer them to go get a second opinion if they prefer that.